Hello, guys, welcome back to our very young channel. I know it's been so long that we have last meet, but I was into some work, and by the time I was also attending some calls from various students and I was replying. I'm active on Telegram and LinkedIn. You can ping me there, I'll surely definitely help you out. So the reason why I am here today is out of so many questions that I have been receiving since the results are out, not only CA CPT results, not only CA final results, but from CA CPT results, that how many hours do you study? How many hours need to be studied to get a rank? So I'm gonna answer this question today, and day by day I'll be answering such questions that I had been receiving. So the first question that I'm gonna address today is how many hours to study to get a rank. Okay. So what do you think? 16 hours, 14 hours, 12 hours? I would say no. Don't count on it. I have never counted for how many hours I have studied. I have set up a target and then gone accordingly to it. Okay, so it some days might be so long, say 14 hours, some days might be say 8 hours. So I have never counted, I'm just guessing. But some days were really long, some days were short, but never go on hours. Quality of course matters over the quantity. इफ़ अ पर्सन थिंक्स कि हाँ मुझे अब 16 घंटे पढ़ना है तो रैंक आता है, he sits in the room and studies for 16 hours, nothing goes into his head. Okay, that does not matter at all. बट एक है कि जो बोलता है हाँ मैं 8 आवर्स ही पढ़ूँगा, मेरी कैपेसिटी उतनी ही है, उससे आगे मेरे दिमाग में कुछ जाता ही नहीं है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि you have to like carry over this attitude. I'll give a solution on this. But ऐसा है तो 8 घंटे पढ़ो, जितना वो 16 आवर्स वाला बंदा पढ़ता होगा उससे अच्छा डेफिनेटली 8 आवर्स वाले बंदे के दिमाग में जाता होगा, क्योंकि इट इज़ हिज माइंड सेट कि मैं उसके आगे नहीं पढ़ूँगा, 8 आवर्स इज़ माई कैपेसिटी. पर हाउ टू पुश दिस कैपेसिटी अहेड, बिकॉज दीज टाइम्स लाइक अभी आपके जो एग्ज़ाम्स है दीज टाइम्स आर से 30-32 डेज पे आपके एग्ज़ाम्स आ गई है. तो आई वोंट से कि इतना ही मेरी कैपेसिटी है ना तो इतना करके अब मैं टाइम पास करूँगा. नो, आई शेयर वन टिप विथ यू ऑल. व्हाट आई हैड डन during my exams was in these period. This is a very crucial period, and mind you, time is very important. So also wait for this, watch this video till end. I'm gonna share one pro tip with you all. So what I was saying is, during the pastime take appropriate breaks in between, so that you won't get bored. And during these pastimes take some quizzes, educational quizzes of course, regarding CA final or CA inter or whatever level you are at. And you can find Conferenza app on Play Store. Also you can take up some ICI MCQs and solve them out. Also you can take some RTPs and MTPs and try one question whatever subject you're studying, or any other subject. Just don't be idle in this time. Utilize this time to its fullest. और हाँ, अब ये अभी मैं नहीं करता, ये मैं लास्ट में कर देता हूँ, इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग आई वुड से. क्योंकि लास्ट कभी आता ही नहीं है. लास्ट में जब हम आते हैं तब तक तो बाकी का जो किया है वो कवर करने को ही टाइम लग जाता है, फिर हम वो छोड़ देते हैं. इससे अच्छा जस्ट कवर इट राइट नाउ एंड just do it right away. Okay, and the pro tip that I'm going to share is how to manage time is our today's topic. So taking appropriate breaks, managing time with appropriate time slots, which is commonly called as time blocking. That is allotting a specific time for one task. अभी हम क्या कर देंगे कि अब हमें पढ़ना है ना, तो आज हमें से IBC और फेमा पढ़ना है. ठीक है, तो हम उठाएंगे, हाँ अब पढ़ के ख़त्म हो गया, अब इसको ही टाइम लग गया, ये हमारा टारगेट था। तो क्या करना है, वी गेट लॉस्ट समटाइम्स। तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज़ वी हैव टू ब्लॉक सम टाइम फॉर पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक और से फॉर पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ सम्स। से फॉर 10 सम्स मुझे इतना टाइम लगेगा, तो you have to block that time and you have to follow it accordingly. हाँ, 5-10% here, not 10 also, 5% here there is fine, but not more than that. You have to stick to it to cover the syllabus, to get an average, at least a good coverage on the syllabus, and go accordingly to the exams. So for this purpose I would suggest you to download one app which is there in Play Store, which is called as Pomodoro app, Pomodoro, Pomodoro app, which teaches you how to block your time. And there are many options, you can go through it कि अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई यूज़ टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ कि SFM को आई यूज़ टू टेक सो मच टाइम, सो फॉर 10 सम से 5 minutes फॉर ईच सम, सो 50 minutes for SFM and 10 minutes for 10 sums, and then 10 minutes grace period I used to allot. So I used to mark there कि in today's task, so 60 minutes for SFM 10 questions, and then automatically it pops up with 20 minutes break, or you can set up the break as per your convenience, but the default time is so you can definitely follow that. And all the best. My next video would be how to handle the pandemic situation and exams simultaneously, because I myself has gone through it, and I would definitely love if you would like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment in the comment section below which video you're longing for the most. All the best guys, I'm sure you're gonna crack this examinations. Thank you.